The OnePlus 13 Mini is a game-changer for those who love compact smartphones without compromising on flagship features. While many brands are moving towards larger and bulkier devices, OnePlus has crafted a mini powerhouse that delivers top-tier performance, a stunning display, and an all-day battery in a sleek and portable form factor. If you're someone who appreciates a phone that fits comfortably in one hand but still packs high-end specs, the OnePlus 13 Mini might just be the perfect choice for you. OnePlus has always been known for its premium design, and the OnePlus 13 Mini continues that tradition. It features a metal frame and a glass back, giving it a sleek, durable, and high-end feel. The phone is compact yet sturdy, making it easy to use with one hand while still feeling solid in everyday use. The back panel has a matte finish, which not only enhances grip, but also reduces fingerprints and smudges. The device is available in 3 stunning colors: midnight black, glacier blue, and emerald green, giving users stylish options to match their personality. With an IP68 rating, the OnePlus 13 Mini is also dust and water resistant, adding an extra layer of durability. Despite its compact size, the OnePlus 13 Mini delivers an immersive viewing experience with its 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display. It boasts a 1.5K resolution, 2772 by 1240 pixels, ensuring sharp details, vibrant colors, and deep blacks. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate provides ultra-smooth scrolling, making everything from gaming to everyday navigation feel incredibly fluid. The LTPO technology allows the refresh rate to dynamically adjust, helping to conserve battery life without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, making it easy to use even in bright sunlight. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies, playing games, or browsing social media, the OnePlus 13 Mini's display ensures a top-tier visual experience. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 Mini is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring blazing fast performance for all tasks. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using heavy applications, this chip delivers lag-free and ultra-smooth performance. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the OnePlus 13 Mini ensures fast app loading, seamless multitasking, and improved power efficiency. It comes in 3 storage variants: 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 512GB, and a top-end 16GB plus 1TB for those who need maximum storage. To keep temperatures in check during high-performance tasks, OnePlus has integrated an advanced vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring the device stays cool even during extended gaming sessions or intensive workloads. Despite its compact size, the OnePlus 13 Mini features a powerful dual-camera system that competes with flagship devices. The 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, ensures sharp and detailed shots even in low-light conditions. The sensor is optimized for high dynamic range, better contrast, and natural color reproduction, making every photo look professional. The 50MP telephoto lens provides 2.5x optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with stunning clarity. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or detailed close-ups, the OnePlus 13 Mini's camera system is designed to impress. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that supports HDR, AI beautification, and 4K video recording, ensuring stunning selfies and high-quality video calls. The phone also includes AI-powered photography features like night mode, portrait mode, and Ultra HDR, making it a versatile camera system. Despite being a compact phone, the OnePlus 13 mini packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage on a single charge. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, this phone won't leave you searching for a charger anytime soon. When it's time to recharge, the 100W wired fast charging ensures you can go from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. For added convenience, the device also supports 50W wireless fast charging, making it easy to power up without cables. Additionally, reverse wireless charging lets you charge accessories like earbuds or smartwatches directly from the phone. Running on Oxygen OS 15, which is based on Android 15, the OnePlus 13 mini offers a clean, fast, and highly customizable user experience. Oxygen OS is known for its smooth animations, lightweight UI, and deep customization options, allowing users to tweak the interface to their liking. Some standout features include AI-powered optimization for better battery life and performance, advanced always-on display with customizable widgets. With 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, the OnePlus 13 mini is built to last. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. In-display fingerprint scanner for quick and secure unlocking. 5G support for blazing fast internet speeds. The OnePlus 13 mini proves that big things come in small packages. With a premium design, an immersive OLED display, a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, an impressive dual-camera system, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery, this device delivers everything you could want in a compact phone. If you're someone who prefers a smaller yet powerful smartphone that fits comfortably in your pocket without sacrificing performance, the OnePlus 13 mini is the perfect choice. What are your thoughts on this mini flagship? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the OnePlus 13 mini, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.